summertime. Feels just right. Gonna gather all my friends and we'll party through the night. It's summertime.
Greetings, fellow nerds. Another box opening for Sorcery Contested Realm, the beta set. And I got this to do a booster draft with my best buddies, but they live 3 hours away and have lives and families, as we all do, and Lord only knows when or if that would happen. So I'm just going to open this up. Well, okay then, so much for that. But here we are. Box topper with the Sorcerer and the little tokens. Now on this, you can see they actually, there you go, put stuff on there. But again, beautiful packaging. So let's start opening. I already have a full set of beta. Alright, so we have the uncommons, or the exceptionals, and Conqueror Worm is the elite. Dispel and Disenchant, both sides of a rose window, and they're just gorgeous. But all this art, after opening a bunch of Arthurian Legends and then coming back to this, the Arthurian Legends artwork is beautiful, but it doesn't compare, in my opinion, to how amazing this artwork is. And Mirage, Elite Sight. I mean, look at this. This reminds me of artwork from an Osprey publication, but just going through here. And if anybody watches this sees any curios or anything crazy jump right out of them, let me know. Please, please, pretty please. I have vowed that if I ever find a curio, I will be auctioning it off, Dwarven Forge, on the Facebook group run by Mike from Collector's Art House, and I will send all of the money to charities in North Carolina dealing with the hurricane. You heard it here. I swear that is what I would do. Stone Gaze Gorgons. Man, lots of elites. A lot more elites in this than Arthurian Legends. Sorry, Ben and Kyle, I know we talked about doing a draft, but Silver Valkyries, that probably wouldn't be until next summer, and I'm too impatient. Another one of those guys. Magellan Globe. Like, look at this artwork. I mean, Vincent Pompetti. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, foil? Yep. Threw me off for a second. There's the foil Pit Vipers. Pudge Butcher, that's right. Throw a projectile, drag it, and fight it. Cosmo Shade, and oh, my favorite artwork in the entire game. There we go, all-terrain vestments. Just so beautiful. It tells a story, makes you think of Bioshock, and you can have Burrowing, Submerge, and Voidwalk if it's a minion. So look at that. You put a creature in there, and they can go anywhere. So I love that. I'm going to have to check that and compare it to my other cards to see if it's Summer Sorcery or if it's the original release of beta. Here's one of the new avatars for this set. Because, of course, I just bought the Summer Sorcery all-terrain investments, foil and non-foil. There we go. Look at the dual lands here. Observatory Elite. Now these guys, there's something about them that there's some of them are a curio, depending on what it has for the. Yeah, this is beta, so that's not. I don't know. I don't understand. I'm not smart enough or rich enough. And there is another sorcerer. We got foil and non-foil. Lucky Charm and a sinkhole, just like, there you go, destroy a nearby site, just like the one in Magic. Yeah, just the one foil so far. Look at that, just great artwork. And here is a Rift Valley, there you go. Make a void to put this guy down. So, ever-changing battlefield, which is kind of cool. Oh, was that a... I thought it was a foil sea serpent for a second, but it's just the reflection in the cards. Templar. And there's a Primordial Spring. So, oh, another Gray Wolves I can put in my wolf deck. And another Leviathan. Leap attack. Flood. Crossroads. There you go. Look at your, at your next 4 sites. Put 3 on the bottom of your atlas. Sorry about that. There it goes. Blizzard. Another Gray Wolves. Ooh, and a foil Scent Hounds. There's a beautiful artwork. Kite Archer. Can't put him in. I already have enough in Bottomless Pit. There you go. My one deck is a ranged deck with skirmishers and kite archers and crossbows and trebuchets to reach out and touch someone from afar. And I think I will be putting in Nelly Longarms, maybe from my, well, from the Arthurian Legend set. I love that artwork, rest in peace. But from, that looks like the window, the stained glass window on Dispel and Disenchant. And it's the same artist. I bet you that was done on purpose. Nothing in Sorcery I found is done on accident. Oh, Foil Frogman can leap entirely over adjacent sites in 1 step. Look at that. That's so cool. Alright, just keep on trucking here. And, ooh, Amethyst Core. Yay! Boom, 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 boom. These are the Moxen, if you will, of Sorcery. Yeah, see, Dispel. And then you have that window. Very intriguing. Giggity giggity, Quagmire. Treasure and Astral Alcazar. There you go, another elite. Well, I guess I'm getting these all messed up. Whatever. These are elites. Another dispel. Yeah, you see some of them, like the pattern of cards repeating, which I always thought was weird about trading card games, that you'll get packs with like every card is repeated or 3/4 are repeated. Falconer. Took me forever to get this guy for my beta set, which is hilarious. Beautiful, beautiful. That portal, just such great art. And in foil, it really pops. Headless Hounds. There you go. Hondaros. Elite. Oh wait, are those you? No, elite, not unique. Oh. Foil Sorcerer. But with that foil Sorcerer, but the backs are different on those. I don't know if you can see. The back on this one will be the avatar back. Dwarven Digging Team. Court Jester. Another elite. Planar Gate. Done. Disenchant. The other side of that window. No foils. Oh, I'll show the back of the sights for the Atlas. There you go. I don't know. Maybe these are the Summer Sorcery. Their colors are quite bright, and it smells like a brand new paper bindery. I don't know why I'm doing that, but whatever. Common Sense is such a great card. Common sense is not so common, as they say. Unicorn and Standing Stones. Minions here are spellcasters. Blizzard. I was hoping to get a foil Blizzard, because those have a misprint. They have the wrong name of the card on the top, but only in foil. Airship. All right, we're getting down. Not doing too well in this box comparatively. I've got a foil core, or I mean a core, not a foil. And Battlefield. Oh, look, it's the playmat. Imp. And I only have, I got 4 foils. That's usually the measure of a box from what I've seen, is the uniques and foils. Spear of Destiny. Have to look at that one because there's a curio, something different about it that I don't know. Something changed between Throw Spear of Destiny. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to Google it. Oh, here is another lighthouse. Did I? Sure. I don't know if I did that or not. Whatever. And tadpole pool. Yeah, so the frogs get it on, and lots of tadpoles pop out. And a wind blast foil. Very interesting artwork and a brave decision. Like, how do you show what a wind blast looks like? You know, pretty awesome. least the packs open easy. And another unique Pillar of Zeros. That actually is a good one. Another Quagmire. And Dome of Osiris. Unique site. Oh, there is a foil sea serpent. I spoke too soon. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. And Cloud City, another very famous part of the game. Beautiful artwork. Again, it's crazy how much this game has been opened for so few cards. So much bulk out there. And Chaos Twister. Great. I love this card. Place target minion on the back of your hand, then blow it off from a height of at least 1 foot. Deal damage equal to its power to each unit atop the site it lands on, including itself. I love that. Very old school Magic. Chaos Orb. Falling Star. Ooh! There we go. Foil Death Dealer. Finally, foil unique. That is a very good card to get. So there are now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 foils that I got. And I think 7 to 8 is the usual. Another Pudgy Wudgy. Plague of Frogs. That is another good unique. All right. Rawr. Presence and Imperial Road. Whoop! Foil Riptide. Goes with the shark. Rawr. And 3 more packs. Nope. Edge of the World. Must always be adjacent to the void. Yeah. Great artwork, though. Two more. Tumor. Been there, done that. Twice. Yokai Kappas. 3 out of the 4 Ninja Turtles. Mountain Giant, there's an elite foil. Occupies 4 locations, which is so cool. And we'll look at the back. You know, to give you that sense of scale, you put him down and he takes all 4 locations, which is cool, but also there's another avatar you can see. Avatar. And they're all different, so you can kind of play your way, which I love games that do that. Gate Ruler, Gate Ruler, Gate Ruler. Get it first. Last pack. Host Eagle, Giantess, Whirling Blades, and a Magnetic Muzzle. So, Detonite Demon, Roll Ice. Another Grey Wolves. So we got a couple of wolves for the deck. Yeah, so there you have it. The big hits are these 2 guys right here. The Amethyst Court and a Death Dealer. So, thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great day.